Alright, so here we are again for another little video I was going to show you guys. This is going to be a quick one. But check it out. The other day I showed you guys how I did my Dodge emblems and the Ramcharger emblems, the actual writing ones. Now I'm going to show you how I did the Ram head. Check that out. This thing was in pretty good shape, but I'm going with a black and blue theme. So I want to black everything out. Fuck chrome. Don't want any chrome. I don't want to clean anything. I just want to be able to, polish anything. That shit sucks. I just want to come in and fucking hose it down. So you can see that I painted this black. I actually spray painted the whole thing, and then I came back in with my brush. See if you guys can see that. And I blued the eyes out. And then I might even drill it. Maybe put some LEDs in it. Maybe let the NOS blow out of it. That'd be cool. But here's the other thing I did too. So normally this thing has a spring on it, so it just moves back and forth. But the bad thing is some fucking Satan worshiper or some fucking metalhead might come in and try to steal my shit, where it has a fucking emblem. Who knows? Some punk kid might try to steal it. So what I did was I just unthreaded the shit that was in there, found a bolt, and bam, look at that, fits in there perfect. So when I do put it back on the hood, I'll just be able to go underneath and bolt it down. And then that thing will be on there. Nobody will be able to take it. I'll throw some red thread lock on there. Done. So, and then what I did was I did these side emblems. Kind of see, I did a rough finish. I did a black, and then I went back with like a bed coat to give it like a rough finish, and then taped it off. And you know what? I don't think I taped that off because I don't think I was able to. But I wrote the 150 in by hand with blue paint. And then I did the Ram with blue too, so it'd match up with my whole theme. There's that guy. There's the other side. So now I just got to get some 3M tape. That's actually what they look like the plastic chrome bullshit. So once I get that done, now I'm just gonna get some good 3M tape, put them back on once I get the whole truck Duro-backed and bed coated. So tell me what you guys think about that. And then this was the other thing I was gonna show you. The actual headlights I was going to get were fucking badass, but they were expensive as shit. They were like $150 a headlight. And they're all black, and then they have the LEDs. So the halogen lights on these things are a sealed bulb type of deal. And they're like, 30 bucks. So I was like, well, I'm not going to get those, dude, that are just going to burn out. And they're not super bright in this old style lighting. It's a 90, so I got these LEDs, and then if you can see in the middle, these have a 2-year warranty on them, and then they have a DRL, which is your daytime running light that I'm gonna have to rewire, but it'll be fine. It's not gonna be a big deal. But check this out. And these were like, I got them online. I got them off of eBay, but I did a best offer. I got them for 69 bucks out the door. So that's better than 300. They don't look as cool as the ones I wanted, but I saw them inside of one of the rigs. It's the same body style like the first gen Dodge. Not the very first gen Dodge, but the square body Dodge. And they look pretty sick. So, and they also have this right here where you can tell cools off the LED. 69 bucks shipped to my place. Not too bad at all. I've already checked and then you can see I painted my bezel, this aluminum bezel. I painted it black too. So the whole front end, man, the whole rig's going to be blacked out. So it's coming along, and then that already fits. I'm glad that it fitted. It was the right size. So it's kind of confusing on the size. It's a 7x6. So, but they also call it a 5x7, which is really weird. So, but that's it. 69 bucks. Got my emblems done. The thing's coming along. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Give me some ideas. I still got to put a roof rack on. Well, right now I still got to bolt the headers on, and I got to fix the head gasket that some jackass fucking blew. But that's the way it is. So I got to get the heads redecked. I got headers. I'm going to have to paint those up. I'll do another video on that. And then I'm going to heat shield them. And I'm going to heat shield my starter too, because it looks like my starter is going to be pretty close to the actual headers. And then I'm going to just go straight exhaust. And then probably, I'm probably going to do like a cherry bomb in there. And then I already checked my tip, and my tip is a replaceable. So I might just pull it off, clean it up really good, and then black it. So tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Bye!